Hey there, Ruth Squires here. This is the Pine Ridge Estates market update for Tuesday, June 9th, 2020. No big changes since yesterday. We are still at a very low inventory, below 2 months in Pine Ridge. We've got 34 active homes for sale, which is a quick change from over 40 just a few days ago. So there's some very strong activity out there. No new listings to report, but I do have a new listing that is coming to market. It's just outside of Pine Ridge. So while it is not in the community with the deed restrictions, it's not subject to deed restrictions, cannot access the amenities, it is just outside of the community, so it's still surrounded by the Pine Ridge homes, and yet it's 10 acres of land. You can have any type of farm animals, chickens, llamas, goats, horses, cows, anything you want here, whereas you can't do that in Pine Ridge. So absolutely no restrictions and a beautiful property. So I'm going to turn you around. I'm in the barn right now, and wanted to let you see what this looks like. Nice 3-stall horse barn. It's got doors on the front and doors on the back. It's got the center aisle, so you've got plenty of space if you want to cross tie horses for tacking and untacking. Also, a lot of concrete pad outside the barn, so this is really good space that you can use for a lot of different things. All the way around. The garage portion of the barn is over 1,700 square feet, and here's a view of the back stall doors, so you can let the horses in and out from the exterior of the barn as well. And this garage has a tack room / office space. You can see the air conditioning unit there that keeps that room cool. Also has a full bathroom. So very, very functional out here. It is 10 acres, so if you're out working with the horses or the animals, you probably don't want to have to run all the way up to the 3,000 square foot home to use the bathroom. So you don't have to. You've got a bathroom right in here. And I want you to see the huge roll-up garage door. See that opening? So this opening will facilitate an RV. You can see the horse trailer in there. It's all on a concrete pad. You can get a lot into this space. Almost 2,000 square feet. 1,728 is a space in this detached garage. So really cool to have all of this. And again, it is 10 acres of land. It's all fenced, cross-fenced, gated. There's also another 30 acres, if you're looking for more than 10, that is available. Same owner, off market. But if somebody wanted to make an offer on the whole package, or you know, any portion of it, it's the 30 acres is 2 separate parcels, a 12 acre and some change and a 17 acre. So all of that is available. So this is a sweet property. I can't wait to show you the house. You can see it there with the pool. It's got a spa. And the house is over 2,800 square feet living. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, and an office. The house has wood floors and granite floors, which are absolutely beautiful. The granite flooring sparkles. And it's a beautiful kitchen. It's got a red Viking gas stove in the kitchen, which is negotiable. She's not going to give that stove away if she doesn't get the right price. This is a really cool property. So I wanted to show this to you as part of my update video today. My photographer is doing the pictures inside right now, so I will have all of that active in the MLS tomorrow. And let me know if anybody would like a personal tour or any more information on this property. My number's 352-476-3303. Ruth Squires, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Keller Williams Realty. Have a great day. Bye.